today you'll be spending the day with me. What is puppy man? What's up guys, today I'm in the country because in the town it's so hot. It's been a while since I brought you guys to the bush. I have some work to do in my backyard, plus I'm going to show you how the trees are looking after the storm has passed. So guys, in Jamaica these days the sun is very hot. You can't do anything when the sun come out, and especially in the town it's even worse. So my mom said I should use this one, and I'm thinking that this one might be too sharp for me. I don't want to chop off my foot. So the outside kitchen, there is a blue on the first one. This is the next outside kitchen. We always have an outside kitchen to put things in. You know, when we all peel the banana, we don't want to drain stain up the place. We do it out here, and when the gas is finished, we cook in this kitchen. So we have fire. We call it firewood or wood fire. Wood for the fire. Look at seat here. This is where we use to make up the fire, people. Kittens being themselves as usual. Hey. So guys, the sun is coming up. I don't feel like I'm tired. I feel like I'm a bit hungry, so I'm gonna try to work faster. So I'm looking like a real bush girl right now, but these gloves should have been retired by now, but should be getting some new gloves soon. So when you are chopping grass, there are some things that you have to look for, like bullfrog. Bullfrog always along on their grass them, and also you have to look out for wasps, because I'm not planning to get no wasp bed. You just have to understand, say, the insecure all about and everywhere, and what's not the purpose of the stick, guys, to take you and jokey bush before me chop, because wasp bite and then something there can't handle none of that right now. This is what I did. I need to move some stuff over there before I can clean it up properly. I bet you had no idea that I could swing a machete, right? Because nobody there tore up the yard with the trees. Me nearly drop, people. Me nearly drop. Way down in the backyard. Here, my mother is cleaning up down here, so we have pumpkin. So all those who like to eat pumpkin but don't know how pumpkin comes about. So this is the pumpkin vine, people. This is a blossom. A pumpkin is most likely going to be put out right here, and it has a lot of other young potential pumpkins that could come up on this vine. So that's a pumpkin vine. So we have pumpkin around here, and we have pine, we have banana, we have canes. I need to plant back a cane because I love cane. I think that looks like let me see, okay, I cane this. So we have possibly a white cane over there and ribbon cane. And this used to be an orange tree that got murdered in Melissa. No longer with us. I must say, my mother had this orange tree for a long time, and I think about 2 years ago it produced its first orange, and then didn't got to do it for long because Melissa cut that production period. Oh my god, guys, look at this, look at this. I don't want to step on the vine, guys, so I have to be careful. So this is a pumpkin. It's so big, and soon it will be ready, guys. So me tell me can't survive a town because it's just rice and flour down there and you have to buy things. But in the country we plant stuff and then you have it to eat. So that is a pumpkin, and soon it will be ready. So my mountain sap tree, there used to be a mountain sap tree here, but a part of it was torn down. That's what's remaining. I see a little baby mountain sap on it. I don't know if we can zoom in so you can possibly see it. So it's like the cousin to soursop. There it is, guys, right here. The little baby mountain sap. I'm gonna have to find my way up there. And we have pines here, but these pines are not yet ready. This is a baby pine, probably a cheese pine or a coke. I think it's possibly a cheese pine. So this was a small breadfruit tree. We used to have a lot of breadfruit trees, guys, but the storm took that one. There used to be one there. The storm took that one. So we also have another baby breadfruit tree here. Don't know if it's gonna grow up to give us any breadfruit, but that is it. We also have banana and plantain trees as well. And of course, this is a new addition, people. Kittens. There's always kittens. Say hi. Guys, the star fruit tree is still here. So guys, if y'all know my cashew tree, that's what's remaining on my cashew tree right now. Here we grow flowers. And guys, we have an agricultural plum tree here that's loaded. It is loaded, as you can see. Just a small tree. Just a small tree, guys, but it's loaded. Over the corner, guys, there's a tomato tree over there with tomatoes on it. I don't know how it went to it, but it did. Everybody know the plant there. Take toxin out of your house. Mom is catching some in that pot. Mango tree here got torn off during Melissa. Going to the backyard, which is one of my favorite places. This is where the old house used to be. This is a naseberry tree, but the correct word I think is naseberry. That's what's left of it after the storm. It's just coming back together. I don't know if it's going to bear anything this year. Pear tree. This is the pear tree. So it fell, and this is where it's now, and it is loaded with pears on it. I don't know if they're gonna come to anything, but loaded with pears, guys. Slash, this is what the foreign people call avocado, but we call it pear. This is avocado, as they say. And this is a cirrus tree right here. Although don't know what cirrus look like. You need to take wash out, eating too much sweet, skin breaking out. It's good for all kind of things. So this is seriously, I love boiling this when I feel like I need like a little wash out or detox or whatever you want to call it. Especially when I eat too much sweets, I like to drink some seriously. Now we have a new brown pepper tree. This is where the lime tree used to be, guys, but now I'm seeing a pepper tree, right? And it is loaded with peppers. Peppers that are half ripe, and these are so healthy, guys. Not like the washy one when I see a market. Fresh pepper. And the thing is, I don't even eat pepper, but pepper tree spread out, people, and it's looking so healthy and beautiful. Peppers in all sizes, and pepper is so expensive at the market, guys. After I think somebody went to the market and the price that they said the pepper was for was alarming. So this is where the lime tree used to be, guys, and the lime tree is actually underneath the pear tree. Oh my god, the pear tree fell on the lime tree after the storm, so it would appear that the lime tree went down first and then the pear tree. So I'm gonna have to go around the other side to show you the lime tree. This is the lime tree now, guys, and it is blossoming at this time. It also has some young limes on it as well. There's some young limes on it. This one has a little thing on it, but you have some young limes on it, guys, all around. So I'm glad that although it fell, it is still bearing. It is still putting out. It's not giving up. That's a message to you guys. Don't give up. My jackfruit tree just started to bear a couple years ago, and then the storm took it, so now that's all that's remaining, just half of it. It's torn off in the middle, so now it's just bringing up back. So I don't know if it's gonna bring forth any jackfruit. So another pumpkin tree here, and this is another young plum tree. These plum trees are very fragile, so I don't know if it's gonna come to anything. And we have some, oh guys, look, I will have to buy this in market. This is a banana tree, and in a couple weeks that banana will be ready. So that's why I love the country. So this is the compost area where we throw things for it to get broken down. And over there, guys, we have a mango tree. That's a Bombay mango tree. I don't know Bombay in it, but it's very sweet, guys. So it's bearing, but I don't know if they'll be good because sometimes they're full of marriage. So guys, am I dropping out? I haven't been out here since the storm. I have another lime tree over there, but it's in bush right now, guys, so I can't get to it. I also have a plum tree here that normally would be bearing by now, but Melissa took all the plum tree away. So guys, that's it for the trees in my yard right now. A lot of damage was done in Melissa, so I don't think I'll have a lot of fruits this year. It's just so sad, guys, because I want fruits. I probably will have to buy it in Montego because the fruit trees are blowing down, so most of the trees are coming back to life, guys, so it's gonna take a little time. I'm gonna clean up the backyard a little from now, but I'm gonna see if I can get some breakfast to eat right now of the country, because you can grow your stuff here when it's not as hot as in the town. So I forgot to show you the new dog and all the animals, guys. So I'm gonna show you my new dog. She is the new addition. See, it's been just weird. I love skinny teeth, but people let me not know what her. I don't know what's her problem. But like my previous dog, I don't really want this one, guys, because this one's a little bit wild. That's how she is. So I don't really fool around this one. See, the matter. Excited, I love jump up on people. we can't bother with. So I'm gonna show you. I think you may have seen some of the cats already, but we also have 2 new pups as well. So I'm gonna show you the new pups that follow everyone everywhere. And of course, how could we forget the yard for them? We eat everything. Eat everything, just bloops like thing it chewing and then gone with it. That's one of the puppies. There's 2 of them. I don't know where the other one is, you know. Where is your brother? So guys, these solar lights are so amazing. Like, we've had them for so long, you know. They've been through rain, sun, everything, and they're still working even after the storm. So these come on when it's night time. So we have one here on this drum. So it was originally on the houses, but the wind took them off. So I have these on one of the tanks. These are what we store water in. So we have this one up on a post. Now we have another one at the front. So that one right there. I'm gonna get some breakfast and get back to you. Yard full them at work. Everybody at work. Full post dog. Everybody at work. You have like a food with throw at the door, just throw it, them can't waste. Somebody's getting fed here now. So I have some dishes to wash, guys, and I'm just gonna catch them on that block right there and wash them out. I have an area, a stand that I wash them on outside, but right now they will just get put on one block and wash them. Wash them out. We just wash them out right here, so guys, by one block. Get some water out of the drum and wash their asses out right there. Drop some water in this. See pup them everywhere me go there follow me. Watch out. It's one of the cats. I'm gonna set them up right here, guys. I'll wash them out because I don't know, I'm in a hurry and the sun is coming up. I should have done this already. Sun is burning up, guys. Sun is burning my ass. Just catch him, I just don't want to mush. Guys, I was washing some dishes yesterday and in one of these blocks there was a bullfrog inside that was like just eat bullfrog. When you're in the country and your Scotch Brite not working, you just get something like this. I'm not using that today. Let me try Scotch Brite. That's all sweet. Blue oxygen to get rid of your grease. Oxygen is a grease stripper, but soap powder. I don't have any rinsing water, so I had some rinsing water in these rinse dishes. These are the pots that I use on the outside kitchen. Them block. It's not gonna like up your hand in if you touch it. Okay. Good. So I'm all done now, guys. I'm gonna go inside and I'm also gonna see if I can clean up the grass that I just cut. See if the backyard can look more presentable. So let's go. There's a rake it pop out. So when I have to rake up these things by holding it like this, it's gonna be rough, but I think I can get the job done with just this.
knife, you take knife, put him on. Machine with it. And go do before nobody.
This one cut both sides. One side is alright, guys. One side, one side. Okay, so it's okay, guys. So both sides are okay. Take the mango. So guys, we call this mango Bombay mango. It's very sweet. Probably has a different name, but we call it Bombay. It's one of the most sought after mangoes yearly. Right, every year, guys, it's a race to get as much of this mango as possible. So my mother said that I should come and look at her farm, so that's where I'm headed to right now. I'm gonna grab a machete. My mom always says, don't go to the bush without a machete. So. Alright, so I'm gonna work with this one. How am I walk? Yeah. I missed so much dandelion. I don't know dandelion. I think they're reach, but not reach. Why up to eso? You know what? I put some in purple. Cabbage. Kale. Okay, what must see in a show? Come here, see how leaf looks so.
Yeah, a Robert, get this seed and say that time to do it.
It's just pure babies. mango. Oh my guys, I found the mango. Bournemouth mango. Mango peeps, one more here. Bournemouth, the body maita happy mango. Five mango drop off a tree and a Bournemouth or Ratmouth. Bournemouth or Ratmouth mango. Yesterday I came over here and I picked a mango and take me I have a spot where drop because the bamboo tree that come down for me. And then my last yesterday and what made matters worse, rain come down so me have to run left it. So today I decided to I come back for. So I think I may have found it, but it look like overnight people. So I find one with Bournemouth, two Bournemouth mango. This says I'm not sure it I cut off piece. So hopefully nothing is wrong with it, but it should be good. Because I cut off the side that's okay and throw away the side that the bird ate out. So people times it up like rain will fall. And it looks like we're out for the day. Thank you for spending today with me. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.